Thank you all for coming. This is the Eaglesville Elementary Winter Program. I'm Riley Spence, and I'm the principal, and I like to say that I have the best job in the world. I also have the best staff in the world, teachers and paraprofessionals, and office staff, and I have the best students. So let's give them all a round of applause. Just a couple quick reminders. If you're in a video or take pictures, feel free, but try to make sure your flash is off. And then make sure that your phones are silenced and any noise-making devices are turned down for the performance. We're going to cut the lights here in a second and get started. Kindergarten is going to go first, and then first grade is going to join them. And then when they're done, kindergarten and first grade are going to find parents in the stands, and they're going to sit with you for the rest of the evening. But with no further ado, I'd like to introduce our fabulous music teacher. This would not be possible without David Cash.
Thank you, Mr. Spence. Thank you. Just to echo Mr. Spence a little bit. Right, thank you all so much for coming out tonight. The person who actually wrote down thank yous to make sure that I'm not forgetting anything. So again, welcome, and I just wanted to say thank you to all the people that make this event possible. Of course, Mr. Riley Spence and Greta and Bruce Eustace. The principals here are so supportive of everything we do in the music program. They're always right there if you need anything to help out. So how about a round of applause for our principals really fast? We also have an extremely supportive superintendent and activities director, Ken Russell, our activities director, and Kim Hanish, our superintendent. Again, anytime I need anything, I know I can reach out to them, and they're there immediately. So again, how about a round of applause for them? Now, an event like this, as much as I love to take credit, all of this coordination, I'm just a small piece of it. I see these kids half an hour every other day, and then they spend the rest of that time with their own teachers. So all of the Eaglesview Elementary teachers, thank you so much for the work you do with them. I could not imagine putting on a production like this without your help. You can see all their teachers are actually around at every minute of this, making sure it goes smoothly. So thank you, Eaglesview teachers. Today is a first for me. Typically, Linda Lyvick Robinson, she's been playing piano for us the past 2 years, and she has been keeping me posted with all of the flight delays and cancellations. So she's had everything super ready for me, has kept me in the loop, but unfortunately she won't be here tonight. But I still really appreciate the work she's been doing for us with our program. Katie Hewling learned the music theory last second and got sick and couldn't be here. So she was here ready to help, ready to do a lot of work. And Miss Amanda Schmall. Well, there you are. Stephanie came in and really helped me in my mind. You can imagine I was panicking. I'm trying to wave in front of everybody, and all of a sudden I have no piano player. Amanda's going to come up, and she's going to help conduct while I give you my first piano performance. So that'll be a lot of fun. And Lauren Adams from UCB is giving us an awesome live stream. So a round of applause for all those folks. And just thank you once again for coming out tonight. Without all the supportive families for the arts, this would not be a concert. It would just be a rehearsal where we sing to ourselves. That being said, these concerts are wonderful for us to see what all the students have. So please silence all cell phones and devices. Our last concert band program had an issue with that. So make sure your cell phones are silenced and you're not causing disruption to taking away someone else's work. Okay? Without further ado, I'm going to invite Amanda up. And we're going to sing a little snow with into my classroom. I give them wow points whenever they do a great job, and they just earn to like 50. Nice. I'm going to get like first grade up now to help out kindergarten with our next song. It's a song about a certain guy dressed like this. I'll Up on the Housetop. Give us one moment while first grade comes on up. First grade, if we're ready, can I hear it? Oh yeah. Thank you, Journey. Can I hear it? Oh yeah. Here we go. Here is Up on the Housetop by the combined force of first grade and kindergarten. And join their family, so Mr. Spence is going to turn on the lights for us to help out with that.
Okay. Yeah, the lights are going to
come on. Kindergarten. Families, can we get a wave for our kindergartners? Where are we? If we can come and grab our kindergartners. So kindergarten, step down, row one, take one step. And just like that, we're down to just first grade. First grade is ready to show their prowess, memorizing so many words this year for We Wish You a Merry Christmas. When we are done singing We Wish You a Merry Christmas, first grade, we are going to also join our parents after this song. So here is first grade facing forward, or We Wish You a Merry Christmas. first graders. I think they can sing better than I can play piano. Holy moly, first grade, nice job. All right, first grade, you can also find your families. First grade families, give away. Give away. Second grade, we can come on up, okay? Get that second grade class all ready to go. Second grade has 2 songs for you tonight, all on their own. They are going to sing O Hanukkah and the 12 Days of Christmas for you tonight. And see if you can keep up with them on the 12 Days of Christmas. They have a lot of words really fast. Here we go. Wowing my socks up today. What a great job. Here's your fun fact while we wait. The 12 days of Christmas, each day is actually a game period. The original song is about giving a game period. Alright, now that second grade is going back to their spots on the floor, third grade is up to keep wowing our socks off today. So I'm going to invite third grade up to the stands. Just showing off our skills, how well we can follow each other in lines together. All right, third grade, we're going to be singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and what class? What song? Yes, Let It Snow. So please enjoy the next two songs. They're wonderful third graders. Thank you, such a wonderful job, class. Should owe you 1,000 WOW points. And Rudolph is gonna lead us down. High five the railing. He said, "Leave the echo." Next, the kids keep getting bigger. It's 4th grade. You ready, 4th grade? All right, 4th grade. Looks great. Maybe hold that up. That's high. I know better than anything to say. Yeah. Here you go. I'll keep it safe. All right, 4th grade. We are singing Winter Wonderlands at night. Maybe we'll get some snow soon, so it looks like we're going to Wonderland again. And we will be singing Frosty the Snowman. So here goes 4th grade. time flies when you're listening to excellent service. How about one more time for these great fourth graders? Good job, guys. All right, we're going to have Christopher lead fourth grade back to our spots. Our same line order, guys. And then I have a special treat for our new fifth graders coming up.
Oh. Where's everyone going?
Oh, maybe that's the...
Okay, that microphone working again. You might see that the fifth graders are doing something a little different, so I'll give them a brief introduction. Fifth grade is starting to learn how to play instruments, but rather than having something that costs several $1,000s and will cost many hundreds of dollars to repair if it hits something you're going to drop, we have these instruments here made of plastic that are a little lighter and a little easier to hold and play. Class, can we hold up all our plastic instruments nice and bright? So they really match what we do with our face on wind instruments, just like the band kids play in the concert that's happening here tomorrow. Thank you, class. You can put those back down. What great instruments. Wow, pointing on the board. All right. So I see this class again for a half hour every other day. So just a smidge over an hour a week if you do that math. And I'm really blown away with the progress they've made. This is their first performance on instruments. We're going to play Jingle Bells, and we'll sing some too. We did a cool musical trick running about half time, where we play one spot slower than we sing it, so it's really cool. And I promised them I'd be their backup band saxophone. Special thanks again to Miss Amanda Schmall for coming in. So let's give Amanda one hand really quick. The thought of me having to play piano and not direct the classes actually terrified me. So she really came in and gave me a bolster of confidence. So thank you so much for that. And without further ado, we're going to close the night with Jingle Bells in fifth grade. How about those fifth graders? That will conclude our night.
We're going to turn the lights on here, and if you'd like